Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a high capacity water bottle that is going to be basically indestructible? Then I want to show you this Nalgene water bottle that I really love. So this is a 1400 ml or 48 ounce bottle to the line here. Although if you fill this all the way up to the top, it actually holds 53 ounces. So this is an awesome bottle if you are trying to increase your hydration, or if you are very active and you are taking it on a hike, or when you are working out and you need a lot of water, or whatever you want to put in this. This is such a great thing to have. It is really, really sturdy and strong. It's made from a really high density plastic, and it's also BPA and BPS free while being dishwasher safe. So lots of pros to this water bottle. I really like it. The top unscrews very easily. It has a nice wide mouth. And I also like that there is a tether here to hold the cap, so you are not gonna lose your cap, which is really great as well. And a lot of times I will actually hook this little piece here through a clip or something on my backpack, so it's not gonna go anywhere. I'm not gonna lose it on a hike or anything like that. So super sturdy, you really cannot hurt these. They are puncture proof, they are odor resistant, they clean up really well, and they just last forever. So I absolutely love this water bottle. It is a great find and perfect for taking all of your hydration needs on the go. And that's my point of view.